Hello and welcome to another episode of Autism Takes On. Today we're going to make some peanut butter fudge, which is what it sounds like. Fudge with peanut butter in it. Simple and easy, you'll love it. Today we're going to make some peanut butter fudge. I'll need some peanut butter, and some chocolate. Now we're going to obviously melt the chocolate and blend it with the peanut butter, and we're going to make peanut butter fudge. We need 1 cup of chocolate chips, or just chocolate in general. This is why you have a counter, so the chocolate chips don't overflow. Now pour it in the bowl. Now the peanut butter. Try to get an organic one if you want to make it as healthy as possible. And organic chocolate chips, not to mention. Yeah, no, this fudge is nuts, isn't it? Peanuts, that is. Actually, a peanut is a type of bean. Now into the microwave for 20 seconds. Keep repeating the process until it's nice and smooth. Now pour it into a silicone baking pan. Now put it in the freezer for about an hour to firm up. Now the fudge is ready to cut once it's softened enough. Now to cut. Go ahead and wrap them up. You may want to lick your fingers after this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.